It's Kelsey Lowery from North Arkansas College Center for Teaching and Learning, and I'm going to show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. So if your organization uses Microsoft Teams, it's really cool. It'll automatically populate to your Microsoft Outlook calendar. So you're just going to click on Join Microsoft Teams Meeting, and we're going to open Microsoft Teams. There it goes. You shouldn't have to worry about downloading anything if you use Microsoft in your organization. So your name should already be populated. If it's not, you can put your name in that box. And it allows you to go ahead and put your microphone and your camera on before you join. So you can do that if you want to. And then join now. And someone will have to let me in. There it goes. Okay, so if you want to mute yourself, you just go ahead and click the little mute button. If you want to turn your camera off, you will just click your camera button. And then Microsoft allows you to share your screen as well. So you can share screen one. Those are all my screens that I have open right now. So you would just click on the screen and then it would share. And oops, where's my little toggle at? We're going to stop sharing. Move my toggle down to the bottom. Chat and show participants. So you can show conversation here. This you could just say hi and it'll go to everybody in your Teams meeting with you. And that is all. Thank you.